Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your StarPets account. So first of all, you need to come here on starpets.gg. Now when you are here, you will be shown the login option as well as the registration option. So since you want to create a new account, simply click on the option of registration. Now over here, you can sign up with the help of your Google account, or if you want to continue with the help of your email address, you need to provide the email address over here. Then you need to create a strong password for your account and then click on the option of continue. Now you need to click on the option of continue again, and now it is going to confirm that you are not a robot. So simply wait for some time until it signs you up inside your account. So if it shows you that you are already logged in with this particular email, you just have to simply click on the option of login, then provide the same credentials, and there you go, you have successfully created your StarPets account in 2026. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.